I'm Craig Moe. Welcome to another episode of Moe Made. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of the rim repair. We're going to be disassembling the rest of the 3 tires, and I'm going to give you a quick little showing of the reason why we're going to be repairing them. So here's my hydraulic ram I told you all about. It's a 9-inch PSC ram. It does exactly what it needs to do really well. Enough to bend the wheels, they don't have enough bracing on them. So if you look back here, you'll see the cracking that I was talking about. It's not the weld cracking, it's actually the powder coat cracking. And let's see if I can show you on here. Get this right up in there. You can see how much the wheel has bent out. So that's why we're putting the gussets in. But before we put the gussets in, I'm going to build a custom press to press the wheel back into a 90-degree shape. It's only the front wheels that are bent, like I said, due to the ram. If we go to the back wheels that don't have the ram on them, everything is still perfectly square, no issues. But the front and rear wheels will be getting the gussets on the back. So once again, just like yesterday, we're going to take our stem removal tool, pull the stem out the valve, release the air from all 3 tires this time. So it looks like the tire grease, the tire lube, whatever you want to call it, that I used to assemble the tires with is actually clogging up the valve stems after I pulled out the stem from the inside of them. So what I'm going to wind up doing is taking this little box cutter, just go ahead and cut these valves off, push them off in the tire, let them free bleed. Make it a lot quicker than get knocked out. Alright, so the tires are all deflated now. Gonna get to busting the bead on the front tire. The jack's holding it up in the air, that's why it still looks inflated. I'm going to bust that bead and start stripping down these wheels and tires. So here we go again with more rain. We had the rain clouds yesterday, and then today it's just a monsoon. That's why the yard looks like hell, because I ain't been able to cut it with all the rain we've been getting. Always something. As soon as the rain stops, I'll swap out that front wheel and we'll get to working on the back. Well, it's safe to say we got a little bit of rain. So, got to start cleaning all this up. Swap out the rim with the other tire. Get back to work. Listen to all these frogs. So I don't have much time, but we got a whole other rainstorm band coming through. Try to get this knocked out. Yeah, we got lightning popping in behind me. Try to get this knocked out. Pretty big second band coming. Good enough. There y'all have it for now. Once this rain passes, hopefully it passes soon, goes by quick, and I can get back to work. Alright, so the rain is done and passed on by. Start breaking down the tires. So yesterday, while I was taking off the back tire, camera footage shut off due to my cell phone battery running out. So y'all didn't get to see the final part of me tearing down the back rear tire. But now you get to see it in all its glory with the little bitty tires on it. Getting ready to fire it up. Gonna be backing it up, put it over here in the grass, get out of my driveway so we can park the vehicles back here, and move on to the next step of working on those wheels. parked and ready. If we keep this rain from coming back, I'll be able to start cutting the grass again. Won't look like it's such a forest. Have my little cattle running around here.